lively these guys are, man. Yeah, getting some live shrimp from St. Augustine Paddle Sports. Got the man, the myth, the legend himself, Mr. Dave Hernandez, man. Yeah, you got lots of shrimp.
We got some selects for you.
Select picking.
The ones that I'm gonna catch for you.
There we go, fish on. Yeah, that's a good one right there. Right? Yeah, no, not that one. That one. That one. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, if you come in here, you can get fiddler crabs, live shrimp, live mullet. You ever do blue crab?
Yeah, blue crab.
Oh, you got blue crab. Blue crab. There you go. And it's also, they have it all frozen too. Mud minnows. Sometimes there's mullet. Yeah, man.
Yep. Keep a little bit of everything.
Getting some live shrimp. Got the man himself, Mr. Dave.
What's up, Mike?
Yeah, man.
Gave you a few hand selects there today. So
Oh, you
got
did?
Some nice baits in there.
Huh?
Nice size.
You went and picked them out yourself, or hand picked them?
Yes, sir.
All right. Yeah, he'll do that for you too.
Those are the ones that catch.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. There's a redfish. That's a slot size.
Yeah.
Oh, that's upper slot. Oh, I might have to cut him up. Yeah, man. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, man.
Oh, we got fish on. First fish on. Shrimp from St. Augustine Paddle Sports. Got a nice redfish. Wow. That didn't take long at all, guys. That didn't take long at all. I just cut up a piece of shrimp and it was still alive. Right on this jig head. That was awesome. First fish of the day on a little piece of shrimp on a jig head. Tossed it out in the current. See if you can see this current ripping through here. And get this guy back. Just let it drift through the current. That's all I was doing. Let's do it again. I'll show you what I was doing. So we're just taking a shrimp, popping that tail off. Going right through the meat. There we go. Coming right out, just toss them right in the current. It's really, really windy. It is windy. There's a nor'easter coming through here. Right here I have a piece of shrimp on a jig head. The winds are ripping through here with this nor'easter that came through. I start to feel a tug right here. Here we go. Fish on. Fish on. Another red. Coming out. Yes, sir. Man, that's what we want, baby. Right there. I mean, this is small. We're just fishing today. We're just fishing. We're not trying to catch any monsters, but monsters are always accepted. Man, that's nice, huh? Look at that. Pretty nice. Little guys. We'll take them. I think so. Yeah, we still got them on. We got a fish on. Whew. Man, this is a honey hole right now. It's another red. Wow. Got ourselves another redfish. It's amazing. It's like a honey hole up in here. That was on a 2-aught circle hook on a Carolina rig with a piece of shrimp. I'm doing double things. I got a Carolina rig on one, catching fish, and then I'm using the jig head on the other. This is amazing. Great catches, guys. Gotta kind of yeet them down here. There you go. He's a little guy, he can handle it. This is great. There we go. Fish on. This one seems a little more decent too. Yeah, he's pulling drag. Oh yeah, this is a much nicer fish. Let me get down here in the mud. I gotta horse it out. Yeah, this is a much nicer fish. Yeah, this is slot, baby. Yeah, it's a much nicer fish. I'm gonna see if I can get it up. Actually get a measurement on this one. Sweet. This is like good. This is a winner. This was on a piece of shrimp too. Get this guy measured up. See what we can do here. That is a 20-inch red. 20-inch red. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. That's a good keeper. Wow. All right. Got my buddy sinker guy measuring tape. Cool. All right, we'll get this guy back. That's awesome. You just gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. All right. Oop, there you go. There you go, baby. That was a nice fish. Very nice fish. Thanks for the catch. Excellent. I gotta climb back up this mess here. There you go. All right. Wow. Guys, I have to get home. Guys, keep it reeling. Thanks for subscribing. And, you know, if you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe. Check out St. Augustine Paddle Sports. I do have some surf fishing float rigs that they just picked up. So if you want to get my float rigs, they're in St. Augustine Paddle Sports. You can just go right there, see Dave. And, guys, we'll see you next time. Seriously though, there's a huge storm on the horizon coming through. There's a bunch of rain coming. I've got to get out of here. Unfortunately, I'm having a blast. I think this low pressure is helping these fish get caught. They're all getting frenzied up. But I've got a long walk to my truck, so I got to get out of here. I'm gonna pack up.
With me, sail away with me, sail away.